Hey guys, what's going on? Darren Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darren Addison, Torpedopot.com. We make self-growing planters that grow your food with no human intervention, and they grow lots and lots of strawberries. So today I gotta come out and get some strawberries to eat. So let's start from you. What do you have? Oh, I like that already. That looks great. Let's see what else you got in here. I'll take that one. I'll take that one. Look at that. I'll take that one. Oh, look at that. I'll take that one too. Yep, I'll take that one. I can find it. Oh, let me throw this in my mouth first. This looks great. Any more in there? That's one right there. That one. That's one right there. I'll take that one. Let the rest of them grow. Oh my gosh, look at these. I'll take this one. This one. What more out of these? Oh my God, look at these two. Take this one. I want that one. Looks perfect. I'll take that one. Okay, is there more? Oh my goodness, look at this. First, I'm gonna throw all these ones in my mouth. Man, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. More, more, more. That's pretty good. Oh man. That one. Take that one. That one. Any more underneath the canopy? Oh, look at that one. Take that one. Yeah, they've just popped them right off. They're ripe. They're ready to go. Take that one. See any more down there? Oh, look at this down here. Yeah, I'll take that one. I'll take that one. Take that one. I'll let those go. I throw these in my mouth. Take that one. Any more? Oh my gosh. Hidden inside of it. That one. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Do I want this? I don't know. They're not totally right, but well, I guess they are. Look good to me. Yeah, I'll take them. We'll take that one. Wow, I'm gonna eat that too, man. That looks good. Love it. Wow. One of those is nice and sweet. Take that one. Oh my gosh, what's the right ones do I want? Do I want these? They look okay, I'll take them. That one. I'll take that one. I'll put it in my mouth. We'll take that one. Guys, these are Torpedopots. These are self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in a planter. They grow your food for you. You never have to grow your food again in your life. Oh, look at that one. Oh, that one. That one. That one. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I'll take that one. Man, look at this, man. Look at this. Oh, man. That one. Do I want that one? Can I get that one? Yes, you can get that one. Any more in there? Want that one? Yeah, I'll take that one. All right, what's going in my mouth? Guys, these are Torpedopots. These are self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds in this planter, and it grows your food for you. You never, ever have to grow your food again. And it grows a tremendous amount of berries. Wow, this is amazing. Man. And so this is what I get for my nutrition in the morning. Instead of a vitamin, I go to the real source and I pick the berries. And I got hundreds to choose from. And I got enough seeds to go into many more seasons. I don't have a problem with food. Food is what I do. Torpedopot grows your food. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in your Torpedopot. And it grows your food. You never water, you never feed your plants again in your life. And you'll end up with so much food that you'll have natural naturally occurring ingredients that are available for you every day. And this is what you want. Darren Radisson, Torpedopot.com. I'm going to finish. Those are my ever-bearing strawberries. I want to show you guys what you could do. And I'll talk to you later.